In the quiet corners of our world, where damp earth and decaying wood lie in shadow, a remarkable form of life emerges. Mushrooms appear as if by magic after rain, standing in silent clusters on lawns or clinging to old trees. These are the mushrooms, the visible fruiting bodies of a much larger hidden organism. Their shapes and colors fascinate us, from fairy tale toadstools to delicate bracket fungi. For centuries, their sudden appearance and swift disappearance have woven them into our folklore. They seem to exist on the edge of our understanding, bridging the seen and unseen. A fallen log, seemingly lifeless, becomes a hub of activity for the fungal network within. The mushrooms we see are just the final, beautiful expression of this tireless work. They are not mere decorations, they are the architects of the soil, recycling nutrients for the next generation of life. Each mushroom, from the tiniest brown cap to the most extravagant, tells a story of connection, decay, and rebirth. The humble mushroom is a gateway to understanding the profound and intricate workings of nature itself. For a long time, humanity mistakenly classified mushrooms as plants, simply because they grow from the soil and don't move. But mushrooms are fundamentally different from both plants and animals. Plants use sunlight to make food through photosynthesis, thanks to chlorophyll. Mushrooms have no chlorophyll and can't make their own food. Animals eat and digest food internally. Mushrooms do neither. Instead, fungi release enzymes into their surroundings, breaking down organic matter externally, then absorbing the nutrients. Their cells are unique too. Plant cells have cellulose walls, animal cells have none, but fungi have walls made of chitin, the same material found in insect shells. This sets them apart from both kingdoms, so mushrooms can't be classified as plants or animals. They are a third branch of life, with their own unique way of surviving and thriving. Their differences in energy, structure, and chemistry make them a distinct kingdom. Fungi deserve our respect for their wonderfully different way of being. They are not plants, not animals, but something entirely their own. The fungal kingdom is a testament to the diversity of life. Only in the 20th century did scientists formally recognize fungi as their own kingdom, separate from plants and animals. This kingdom is vast, including not just mushrooms, but also molds, yeasts, and countless microscopic forms. Fungi are nature's master recyclers, breaking down dead matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Without them, dead leaves and fallen trees would pile up, locking away nutrients needed for new life. The main body of a fungus is a hidden network of threads called hyphae, which form a mycelium that can stretch for miles underground. The mushroom is just a temporary reproductive structure, like an apple on a tree, designed to release spores. Recognizing fungi as their own kingdom reveals their profound importance in every ecosystem. From yeast in bread to penicillin in medicine, fungi shape our world in ways we're only beginning to understand. They are not just decomposers, but a sophisticated ancient form of life with vital roles to play. The kingdom of fungi is a realm of wonder, waiting to be explored. The life of a mushroom begins with a microscopic spore, carried by wind, water, or animals. When a spore lands in the right place, it grows a delicate thread called a hypha. As hyphae branch and fuse, they form a vast, interconnected mycelium, the true body of the fungus. This underground network quietly breaks down organic matter, absorbing nutrients and expanding for years, often unseen. The mycelium is sensitive to its environment, detecting moisture, temperature, and food. When conditions are right, often after rain, the mycelium channels energy to specific points, preparing to reproduce. Tiny pinheads, or primordia, form just below the surface. Fueled by the mycelium, these structures grow rapidly, pushing up through the soil to become mushrooms. This sudden appearance is what gives mushrooms their magical reputation. But it's not magic, it's the result of patient, hidden growth beneath our feet. The mushroom is the culmination of a long, silent process. Each one is a fleeting sign of the vast, unseen life below. Fungi do more than decompose. Many form remarkable partnerships with plants, known as mycorrhizal relationships. Their mycelial networks connect directly with plant roots, forming a vast, wood-wide web beneath the forest floor. The fungus gathers water and minerals more efficiently than roots alone, passing them to the plant. In return, the plant shares sugars from photosynthesis with the fungus. This exchange benefits both partners, creating a resilient, interconnected community. The network links multiple plants, even different species, allowing them to share nutrients and warnings about threats. The wood-wide web transforms forests into collaborative superorganisms, not just collections of competing trees. Fungi are the circulatory and nervous system of the forest, supporting its health and stability. This hidden connection is a powerful lesson in cooperation and mutual support. Fungi show us that survival often depends on partnership, not competition. The world of fungi is filled with wonders that seem almost magical. Some mushrooms glow in the dark. Bioluminescent species like foxfire emit a soft green light, possibly to attract insects that spread their spores. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus, a honey mushroom in Oregon, whose mycelium covers 4 square miles and is thousands of years old. Fungi also display surprising intelligence. Slime molds, for example, can solve mazes and create efficient networks, mimicking city transport systems. Fungi can even help clean our planet. Through mycoremediation, certain species break down toxic pollutants like oil and pesticides, turning them into harmless substances. By harnessing these abilities, we can restore damaged environments and clean contaminated soils. Fungi are not just recyclers, but powerful allies in healing the earth. Their feats challenge our ideas of intelligence, longevity, and resilience. They are nature's problem solvers, quietly working behind the scenes. The more we learn, the more we realize their potential. Fungi are true marvels of the natural world. As we end our journey, we see mushrooms as more than fleeting woodland forms. They are the visible signs of a hidden kingdom that sustains our planet. Fungi teach us patience, persistence, and the power of connection. Their mysteries are still unfolding, with new discoveries in medicine, agriculture, and environmental restoration. They challenge us to see the world as an intricate web of relationships, not isolated parts. Fungi show that from decay, new life springs and strength is found in community. They are models of sustainability, where nothing is wasted. The next time you see a mushroom, remember, it's the ambassador of an ancient kingdom and a promise of renewal. Even in the smallest corners of nature, fungi inspire awe and hope for a more connected, resilient world.